Hi there, this is Ira Weinstein. Millions of people use Microsoft Skype for Business every day for presence, messaging, and audio and video calling. But in March 2017, Microsoft launched its next-generation communication service, Microsoft Teams. Today, both platforms are in use, but the writing is on the wall. Skype for Business users will eventually migrate over to Teams. As you probably know, Polycom is a Microsoft strategic partner, and many of Polycom's audio and video products offer native Skype for Business support. But what about Teams? Hey, I'm glad you asked. Today, our team is testing a pre-release version of Polycom's highly successful Trio conference phone running beta code for Microsoft Teams. To start our testing, we booted up our Trio and entered our Office 365 credentials. A few seconds later, we were online in Teams. So let's start here. Teams on the Trio looks and feels just like Teams on any other Android device. The calls page shows a list of recent calls and lets us redial users with just 2 presses. The search icon lets us find users both inside and outside our company, and once found, calling a user was quick and easy. And the meetings page showed us the room's schedule for the next few days and gave us a join button for Teams and Skype for Business meetings. In short, the user interface was clean and tight. The beta code we tested supports Teams audio calls only, so we made a ton of audio test calls. And during every single Teams call, the audio quality was excellent. We've always appreciated the Trio's audio performance, and Trio for Teams did not disappoint. So if you're a Polycom shop, either today or tomorrow, and you're wondering about Teams support, don't worry. It's on the way. We've seen it. Thank you, and have a great day.